Hello, hi, namaste. My name is Jibanjiti Biswal, and we just started a series about DSA in Java. And in the starting, we just covered array, and that after that we just covered two searching algorithm and three sorting algorithm. And we are just started with recursion right now, and we just probably make two videos for the recursion. Okay, today we are going to moving forward some questions with recursion. Here one of the question is here. It is nothing but a recursion question. It is present inside the GFG. Okay, the question is power of number. Let's read this question. The question is something we are going to giving the power of the number by using recursion. Here given a number and its reverse. Okay, and its reverse. Okay, find the number rise to the power of its own reverse. Okay, we are going to find the power of the number. Okay, and note as the answer can be very large, you can go for the modulo of 10 to the 9 plus 7. Okay, 10 to the 9 plus 7 is nothing but this value. Okay, okay, we just understand the question. Let's do here. Okay, it is less. My n is nothing but considered 2. And my r is nothing but the power I am considering here. Let's consider 3. Okay, how to do this in manually? If you are going for any while loop, okay, let's do a while loop inside here. Okay, if you are going for the while loop, we are going to declare if my r value is greater than 0. Okay, at that time only. Okay, just let me increase the size. At that time I am just going to do something here. I am just going to do n into n star is equal to n. Okay, and after that I am going to do r minus 1s. Okay, r minus 1s. Okay, this is the logic for means if my n is equal to 2 and my r is equal to 3, to doing the power of the number, you can do go for this kind of solution. You can go for that only. Okay, but how to do in recursion? Okay, recursion is something. Okay, we can do here just we have to create a method. Inside the method we have to first we have to return only what I have to return n into n is nothing but the value into. I have to recursively call that method. Let's my method as power. Okay, power. Inside the power I am just passing n along with r minus 1. Okay, this is our first need. Okay, and we have to stop in between. Means where we have to stop, we have to put a condition. Condition is nothing but we have to put the condition should be if my r value is equal to 1. At that time I have to return the n value. If my r value is equal to 0, at that time I have to return the 1 value. Okay, that is my need. Let's do this problem here directly. Okay, that's fine. Okay, but one condition is here. We have to give the resultant if our number is bigger. That we have to print the modulo of this number. This number is nothing but this. I just copy from this here, and I am just declaring here int variable int mod is something this. Okay. Okay. What I have to do first? Okay, I have to go into well, let's we are going to do something for the native. Then we are going for the some base solution for this question. I am returning n into power of n comma r minus 1. Okay, where I have to stop? I want to stop if my r value is equal to 0. I have to return 1. If my r value is equal to my n value, at that time I am to return n. Okay, that is the motto. That is the means. Okay, sorry, if my r value is equal to 1, I have to return n. Okay, this thing we can return. Let's compile this code first, if it is going to execute or not. Okay, maybe I am inputting customer. Okay, let's delete first. Okay. Okay, for the 4 it is working. Okay. Let's do one thing. If I want to put some other value, just like compilation, if I want to put here let's 5, what will be happen? What kind of result is going to show me? Let's see. Yeah, it's working fine. If I am going for any bigger value, let's consider my value is 11 here. Okay, for the 11 it is not going to give the right answer because we are not modifying. Okay, just do the mod here. Let's see. Yes, it is fine. Okay, let's go for the lowest possible value, 4. Yeah, it's fine. Let's submit the code. Okay, the submission limit and executed. Why? Okay, some stack overflow error is giving for the test case. Okay, for this one. Okay, for this reason we can go for some optimization in the code here. Okay, let's do some optimization. If my nothing but if mine r is a even, okay, let's consider my r is a even. For to check the even number, we know if my r is even, I have to declare a long variable because I am returning here long. Here my long, okay, if my number is a even, I can go for half of the number. After that I can multiply with the half of number, that will be also fine. I am going to check up to half of the number. Half num is equal to not equal power of, I am passing here my n and I am also passing here r by 2. R by 2 is nothing but the half of the number. Half of the power I just want to go for. Okay. After that I want to return this same value. Okay. Let's say okay. Here I just want to return half of the number into half of the number modulo mod. Okay. Otherwise we can go for this solution. Okay, if my number is not a even number, we can go for this one. Here my number is not a even number, we can go for the native solution. Okay, let's compile this one. What will happen? Let's see. Okay, it's working fine. Let's compile the whole code again. Okay, 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 it's fine. All the test cases are passing perfectly, we can say. Okay, we just pass all the test cases. This is the solution for the program. What is the changes in the program with this if condition? If a number is even, I don't go for the next means multiplication. I can go for the half of the number and I can just multiply. R is, if my power is an even, I can go for the half of the number. If my power is not even, I can go for the native. Also we can do some changes. Here you can just go for -1. If my power is not equal to not an even number, we can make it even and do the something process. After that we have to multiply once again. That's what you can also find, but we don't want to do for that condition, that kind of solution. Okay, that's fine for this problem. Okay, we can go for the next other problems here. Okay, there are series of problems are presented here for the recursion. You can go and solve each thing for everything for you. Okay, this question was asked for the Walmart and make my trip. Okay, was fine. Okay, you can go and solve this problem, this kind of problem. Okay, thank you for watching this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.